If you haven't already hit the subscribe button with the little notification bell, nobody ever explains the bell, but the bell just allows notifications, you know? So pop up in your phone that says, I don't even know what my channel's name is because I don't have an exact URL. I don't know if it says Mike's Life or not, but Mike's Life just posted a video and it'll have the title and whatever. Hit the bell, man. Follow me and have a better life because you follow me. Those are the benefits of hitting the subscribe. So I re-recorded this already 17 times because I can't shut up. I'm going to try, though. The whole topic was how I'm immobile and the difference in freedom between being mobile and not mobile, and how being stuck and stranded has enlightened me, you know, refreshed and help me remember how much freedom, because I made a video about freedom and I got people commenting about freedom or on the video, and then I'm like, you know what, they don't know how much freedom there really is, because I forgot. And if I forgot and you haven't done it yet, oh, you definitely don't know. Things I've taken for granted. Number one, drive to the gas station, grab the nozzle, stick it into my generator, slowly, carefully fill it up, half a gallon. Stick it in my gas can, fill that up, back up, put it inside. Stick it inside the van, fill up the van. I don't pay rent anymore, so I'm not out the window with that $10 and $20 fill-ups. Fill up the whole tank, 70 bucks, why not? And drive away. Nowadays, I gotta take my gas cans into my car because I have a second car, double the insurance cost, and why not, right? And into my car and to the gas station, and then fill up the gas cans one by one, and then bring them back, fill up my generator, fill up my diesel. Now I got diesel all over my, diesel all over my hands, disgusting. And then go put my gas cans back in my car, so when I do leave the next day to go to work or wherever I go, I don't forget my gas cans and a missed opportunity to fill up my diesel for my heat and not run out like I did today. Woke up this morning freezing almost to death. Laundry, of course. Drive to the laundromat, grab everything, blankets, all your clothes, walk into the laundromat, stuff it in the machine, turn on machine, stuff it in the dryer, turn on dryer, leave, spread blankets out, bedding, fold clothes, put them away, you're done. Food, hey, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm watching Netflix, I'm gaming, I'm starving, cool. Hey, I'm in a 24-hour McDonald's parking lot, no problem. Keys, turn the ignition, because the ignition is 6 feet away. Turn the ignition, drive through the drive-thru, get that cool ass food, come back, jump back in the bed, whatever, into my little gaming bucket slash toilet slash gaming chair, I don't know, and then continue eating your food and enjoy your evening. Beautiful. Waking up in the morning, bunch of trash everywhere. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Drive to the car wash, dump all your trash out, run a vacuum over it real quick, keep it pretty, easy. Oh wow, I spilled something I shouldn't have on my carpeted floor. Whatever shall I do? Simple. Go to Home Depot with your van, with your house. Go in, rent their $22 for a 4-hour portable carpet cleaner. Hook it up to your inverter, fill it up with chemicals. Suck up your carpet beautifully clean, empty out said cleaner, return it to Home Depot, 5-minute usage, still charge you $22, no problem. Carpet clean. It's been a while, it hurts. But I've forgotten about all these things, you know, and I've just been bitching and complaining that I'm stuck, and I don't know, I got job interviews. My life is about to change, and I've got a whole video going to talk about that, because interview number 1 tomorrow, interview that I really want to happen on Monday. Plus I got a job that I was supposed to finish today that needs to be done tomorrow. So, woo! Things are about to change. Yeah, things are about to change. And I'm about to get the hell out of this lot. But being here, like I said, purpose of this video was it helped me realize the amount of freedom that I spoke about. Like, I'm only talking about driving, you know, into the desert, like from Amarillo, Texas, all the way to Las Vegas, technically all the way to LA, and all I do is talk about great vast open spaces, things that I have seen with my eyes, and Not the little things. The more important things, like, well, I'm starving right now. I'm gonna take a ride over to Taco Bell real quick, go get food, come back and continue watching this Netflix binge. Or, oh wow, I should go get some diesel for that heater so I don't freeze to death tonight. Drive to the gas station, fill it up, top it off, no problem. Nope. Now it's, hey, I didn't get enough diesel. Go outside, take a look at it. It's about 3 inches. Most likely I'll make it through the night. I'll definitely have to get some in the morning. Sucks. It just, I don't want to talk about it anymore. Being in a van is very free. If you're like me and somebody else that commented, when you get to a certain point of your life and people dump on you and life dumps on you, yeah, no, it's all me now. It's Team Michael, and I'm not answering to nobody unless you pay me, literally. So a boss, employment. Unless you pay me, that's who I answer to. Otherwise, I answer to nobody. There's nobody right here bickering with me. If they are, we are on the same page. We are not a joined at the souls couple. Those days are gone. I don't have a soul to join. These women have taken it from me. It's about me and how peaceful and beautiful and free and relaxed and calm and drama-free the rest of my days on this lovely planet shall be. I'm not dedicating it to nobody. I spent years, you know, I'm a 90s kid, right? Like, you're born in the 70s, you're too young in the 80s, so like late 80s, early 90s, R&B, you know, Stevie B, John B, Jodeci. Screwed that up. I was trying to make it all flow. And then everything is love, and I love you, and oh, baby, spring love, come back to me. Right? Okay, I know. I'm sorry. So you're one of those kids, and you kind of grow up with those emotions and that mindset. It's like, oh my God, I love you, baby. Come here, stay with me. Let's join souls forever. And they leave, and then 20 plus years go by, and now you're an old, wrinkly man. And you're like, and you get angry, and you just, everybody, leave me alone. I'm in my van, and I'm about to go somewhere, I don't know where, but I'm going, no drama. On a real note, I've basically been single now, technically about 2 years, almost 2 years. Lonely. I would say your dating life is gonna take a huge impact, because that Tinder profile, you know, I live in a van. What up, ladies? If you're a girl, no guy in the world cares. If you live in a cardboard box, they're just going to be intrigued. And, you know, how's this going to work? If you're a girl, and if you're a guy and Tinder, I live in a van, nice, 1-bedroom, Chevy Express. It might not work. So, chalk the whole dating thing up. But here's my advice. My advice to myself, my advice to any man. Because women, you already got, nobody needs it. You're all set. My advice to men, to myself as well, if you're going to live this life, which I'm definitely living this life. At first, I would have probably said how long, maybe a year, make enough money, no, this is it. I might upgrade, maybe an RV one day, who knows? I don't know. I'd have to, before I'd ever buy a house, I'd have to come down to owning land, because when you live van life for a while, you're like, damn, if I owned my own piece of land, nobody could ever, you know? Never. This is my land. I'm gonna live in the van on my land. That's a good feeling. Of course, I would just build on it, but whatever. So, yeah, Tinder, leave it at that. But find somebody who's down to do the life thing with you. Then you can have a good life. Don't know if I would be okay with another body in the van with me. Come back tomorrow. Hey, remember to hit that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. I love you guys. Peace. Thanks for the love.